Hello all, hope you all doing great. Welcome to our channel Chitti the Future Maker. In this channel we provide information related jobs.
Now we're gonna discuss in detail regarding the job opening of IBM. This is related to Technical Support Associate. The Technical Support Associate as a representative of frontline position for the IBM clients. You will be having the interaction with the customers of IBM and you have to resolve the issues which are related to the customers. The customers will be having multiple issues where you will be contacting with the customers via email, calls, or even chat. You have to check their issues and you need to handle the issues without any dependency with other teammates, and also you have to work within timeline and supportively you have to resolve the issues. Once the issues has been resolved, you need to check with the clients for the feedback and you have to provide all the details in respective to the document so that as a reference for the other candidates it will be helpful, and you need to check with the customers regarding their complexity if we have any problems related to anything. As technical and professional related experience, what they were asking is minimum of 0 to 2 years experience in IT industry is helpful. Even any fresher, any graduate without any experience or with experience of 2 years are eligible to apply for this job. As we mentioned, you need to resolve all the issues which are related to customers within timely and effective manner, and you need to handle different tasks related to the priorities. If possible, in different projects also you need to handle the issues. The hands-on experience is helpful, and if you doesn't have, you can also be as a fresher can eligible to apply for this job. As all it once you resolve the problem, you need to find the root cause and provide the solution, and then you need to document them and need to provide the same in the uh, parts which you team only able to have access the share parts. You need to have problem solving skills, questioning skills, so that you can have interaction with the customers without any issues and you can solve the customers with issues very frequently. They were asking that you need to check with the customers and face-to-face environments, or you need to check basic environments of networkings and technologies, also the product related things, and you have to work. You should be willing to work in shifts. And also, as we discussed, you need to fulfill the targets of the clients and resolve the issues of the clients so that clients will be happy. And if you this is the location for Hyderabad, and as a bachelor degree, you can apply for this job. If you want to apply for this job, you need to click the link, apply link. Then you'll find some details which need to be filled. Once you fill these along with the resume, you'll be getting an email so that when they will be having these particular interviews and exams, you'll be getting via email so that it will be helpful for you. I hope this information is helpful. Thank you.
Please do like, share, subscribe our channel Chitti the Future Maker. For more interesting updates, please click the bell icon.